This is part 3 of the Bad Bank capstone presentation, and in this section, we are covering app demonstration, deployment, additional features, and reflection. After development of the full stack Bad Bank application, it was deployed to Heroku. Let's move over to Heroku to test the live app. Okay, we are on the Bad Bank homepage. On the top, we have the nav bar that contains different features like create account, login, and sign in with GitHub. Let's test the create account feature. User enters their name, email, and password. Click on create account, and they receive a success message. Let's add another account. Let's test the login feature now. The user enters their email and password. Click on login. They receive a success message, and they're routed to their account homepage. This is their personal dashboard, and we can also see the user's email address in the top right corner of the page. After getting into their account, the user can perform online banking transactions like deposit, withdraw, and balance. Let's test the deposit feature. Enter the email and deposit funds. It also shows their balance is currently $100. Let's deposit funds into the other account. And we can test the current users in the all data feature. So we have 2 registered users and their balances as well as passwords. Now let's test the withdraw feature for both users. Okay. And the all data, the new balance is reflected here. So we've tested all the features. Let's log out of the account. And after logging out, the email should no longer appear in the top right corner. Great. One more feature is the sign in with GitHub, which we will not go into too much detail at this time. The user can enter their GitHub email and password. Okay, so at this point, we will go back to the presentation. The next question is, did you use Docker, and what challenges did you experience? Describe your troubleshooting process. Yes, we did use Docker. We created a Mongo database. We ran that in a Docker container. Then we connected our Express application, serving the static content and making a connection to the database. As far as the challenges are concerned, many challenges were faced during the deployment. First and foremost, the connection between Mongo Atlas and Mongo Compass couldn't be established due to Atlas database configuration and IP address changing every time. This issue was resolved by adding access from anywhere IP, which is it's like a 0.00. And after adding that, the rest of the deployment went smoothly. Additional features. What additional features did you build? Why did you build these features? The most important feature was the login feature. When an authenticated user logs in, the app displays their name and routes them to a new page where only the user can see their banking information. It was important to add this extra component, otherwise the app doesn't look secure. What challenges did you encounter, and reflections? The biggest challenge during deployment was refactoring the bad bank to work with the Mongo Atlas Cloud. And finally, reflection. What would you reflection, what would you do differently if you started the project today? First, I would get comfortable coding in Create React App. Most literature out there is based on Create React App, and error debugging is much easier than a standalone React app. If you started the project today, how would you structure your code differently? I would structure the code using Create React App. And finally, if you started the project today, what additional features would you build? Checking savings accounts, funds transferred between accounts, two-factor authentication, and also making a mobile-friendly application. This is the end of the banking capstone presentation. Thank you.